Uh, Good evening, traders. Here, I want to give you a little thing to think about here. A lot of people trade SPX because it's a cash settled index, but there are also other cash settled indexes available. What I put together here is a little spreadsheet. You can trade, obviously, SPX. In the future, if you want to see what SPX is going to open at, you can look at ES futures ahead of time, and it's basically 10 times its price of SPY, the same stock. The SPX trades in increments of $5, and I put green for liquidity. It's a very liquid product. The bid-ask spreads are fairly tight, and it is one of the biggest products on the market. You can also trade cash settled XSP. Wow. Um, and it is also the future of ES, which is in its same as SPY. It's priced in $1 strike prices, and its liquidity is middle of the road, we'll say. So you usually it's not as liquid as SPY. Little, but there's no shares to be assigned. It's strictly cash settled. Your NDX is basically the same thing as SPX is to ES. NDX is the same thing to the NASDAQ. You watch the NQ futures, and it's the same thing as stock QQQ, but it's priced $10 wide, and it's pretty liquid. XMD, well, these are some tongue twisters to say. Same thing, follows the NQ futures, QQQ, priced $1 wide. The volume is not that good. I've never traded it, probably unless the volume would pick up, never would trade it. And then the RUT, or the Russell, small caps. Look at the future, RTY. Its stock equivalent is IWM, $5 wide, and it's middle of the road. I have traded the RUT. Um, kind of wait towards the 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock hour to see where the market's going, and place a trade $5 wide and pick up a few dollars. So hopefully, if you didn't know about these other cash settled markets, you know something about them now.